Fine. Now we are left with the last 3 months for your exam. I don't know when whoever is watching this here, you guys started the classes 6 months back, 3 months back, I don't care. It doesn't matter where your level of preparation is there as of now. Some of you would have been like, sir, wherever I am watching the class, everything I am up to date, sir. I started my revision. Some of them will be like, still class is going on for me. I am only done with 70% of class. Let's say by Feb ending 2024, my class will be done. Last 2 months I will do revision. Some of them, sir, class also is not yet done, sir. For me only last 1 month I will have for revision. Class also I have a lot of backlog I have to watch. I didn't revise, I don't remember. Each of you can be in a different position. I do not care which position you are. What is important is, first do not compare with somebody else. Saying this person is ahead, I am behind. All you have to do is focus on the 3 months that is in your hand at this point. This last 3 months are very, very important. A common example I use in class always, even if you have gone to articleship, I'll give you 2 options. I told I'm going to repeat this again. You have one job which is paying you 5 lakhs per month, where you have to work from 10 to 10 p.m. every single day, including weekends. One job which is giving you only 2 lakhs per month, 10 to 5, weekends is off. How many of you will pick the first one, 5 lakhs, 10 to 10, including weekend? 1, 2 of them. How many of you, 2 lakhs per month, 10 to 5, weekend leave? Majority took this. Now, same thing, third one, 0 lakhs pay. Your parents started a family business, some family business. You are a qualified CA. They invested some 20-30 lakhs of their own money. They started a family business, restaurant or something. First time they are starting a business. They are saying, please help me for 1 year. Will you go and help? Your own family, you are going to absolutely help. What salary you will get there? 0. There you have to work 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. all days, restaurant from breakfast to dinner all days. Will you work? Everybody will work. Will you feel the pain of work? No. The pay you are getting is 0. Why are you doing this here? Here when I told you 5 lakhs or 2 lakhs, majority of you watching took 2 lakhs here. Very few took 5. But when I tell 0 lakhs pay, you are not getting any rupee now, but you are still doing it. Why? One family emotion, okay. Then beyond that, if you work well now and do the business well, future you will earn well. Then you can hire some staff. In every business, does well or not depends on the first 2 years, 3 years, if they are able to do well. That means for you it's not like a 0. It's like the investment you are doing now, where this business will start giving you more than 5 lakhs in future. And it's of course for yourself, it's for your family. Even though some other company is paying 5 lakhs, you didn't choose. So it's for yourself, you will go there and work. Remember, if somebody is article student, if you have done articleship, you used to work day in and day out, month of September, July, you will work. You work for whom? Somebody else, and that somebody paid you 5,000, 10,000 per month. They used to take in lakhs. That's how articleship. Articleship is not for money. It's for learning. But you did that. If you didn't do also, you will end up doing that. But the next 3 months, when your exam is in May 2024, you have effectively 3 months or even less than 3 months, roughly 90 days left, plus or minus something. You are working with 0 pay for yourself, already paid fees for whatever class. For whom? For whom? For yourself. Do you want to study this again? No. So, I don't care which attempt you are writing May 24. Maybe it's your first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I want your mindset to be clear in these 3 months. Forget about whichever attempt. Let this be like your first attempt. This is going to be my only attempt. Don't look beyond May. The second mindset changes. Don't be like, so what sir, if May I miss means I can write in November 24. It's okay for me. I will write in November 24. Did you think like this in 12th standard board exams? Did you think, hey, if I fail 12th board, I will write next year? Anybody thought like that? That means your mindset itself tells you that you are going to prepare so well, and go write your main exam. So same way, the only thing in 12th standard is you wrote a lot of tests, unit test 1, 2, 3. That means every unit test is one revision. But in CA, unfortunately, you will maximum write 1, 2 tests. So I'm not saying how to write a lot of tests, but means you need, so these tests in 12th standard was one revision, correct? Half yearly was one revision, quarterly was one revision, some part of syllabus, pre-board, mock. Here, how many revisions are you doing? The simple thing, what preparation you did in 12th standard, and that mindset should come to CA Inter. Middle, there's one thing, one college, one thing is there. You should skip that, forget the mindset you had in college. If somebody is going to college, remember guys, this is not one time pass exam. It is one of the most competitive exams in India. Now, if you visualize that you clear in May 24 your Inter, will you feel happy? If you can just visualize that, just that feeling itself gives you happiness. Will it come easily? That means you have to put some effort. That means these 3 months you have to put a premium effort. You have to put huge premium. It comes with sacrifices. Don't tell me I don't have mood to study. Sir, I don't have mood, sir. I don't feel like studying. That is there for everybody. You have to come past that. Who will help you? You should help yourself. All this external motivation that you find, sir, reel I'm seeing, sir. 30 seconds one reel came. Looking at this reel today, I feel confident. I feel motivated to study. That confidence and motivation will be there for hardly one day. Now I'm telling you something. You are seeing this. Later, 1 day, 2 days, you will feel pumped up. Results. Those who could not make it will feel low and they will feel confident. This time I'm going to clear. 10 days they will feel that way. Hey, I'm going to pass. Then again they will come back to normalcy. There are 2 types of motivation, guys. Very simple, external and internal. External is people around you, parents telling you, hey, study, teachers telling you study, friends telling you study. Externally, people are telling you to do so many things, some motivation speech, some philosophy, then you get pumped up for that week. But that does not stay permanent. How do you push yourself for 3 months? Find a purpose. Tell yourself, I am here, I need to clear. You internally from within, that I should clear in May 24, and these 3 months, there has to be sacrifice, guys. You can't watch movies and all. Enough, before you watch movies, enough movie came. I don't think any blockbuster movie is going to come in next 3 months. It comes also, exception if you see, we will see. I don't think anything is going to come. Nowadays, standard is one level, it's already come down. So you don't worry, OTT is there. 3 months, you need to forget everything, guys. You need to forget cricket. If you're watching cricket, you need to forget movies. You need to forget Instagram and all. 5 minutes a day. Nothing will happen if you don't go like someone's story today. It's again stories only 24 hours. Something new will come. So I'm not saying don't use social media. You're anyway going to use. But use it in moderation. Your break time cannot be social media. How many times in study break? Take phone, take reels, and that break ends up being half an hour. See, what happens in reels is, every reel is a different set of emotion. 130 seconds can be an exciting reel. 130 seconds will be sad. One will be music. That means every 30 seconds, your mind is tuning to some other different emotion. That means your concentration level drops. Why reels are famous? Because people want content in 30 seconds. Correct. That means your concentration drops. So I'm not saying don't use reels. That should not be your break. Your break should be away from phone. It should be mind relaxation. Something else. You need to go do some exercise. Gym, sir, I'm going 2 hours. Don't go 2 hours gym. If you're going to gym, reduce to half an hour now. Sir, gym may polo, sir. Now I'm trying to start. Hey, now is not the time. These 3 months is make or break, guys. It doesn't matter how much you have studied till now. Sir, I studied only 20%. I don't care. There are students who studied in the last 3 months and cleared. I'm not joking. Who have even started in the last 3 months, studied 12 hours a day and they have cleared. So if you have not started till now, it's okay. You still have time to start. I won't say this in April. Again, that depends. Group 1 or group 2 or depends on how quick you can grasp. Not everybody can study in 3 months and clear. But forget about what happened in the past. Forget about the exam and results. Just focus on these 3 months, 1 day at a time. How do you excel in 3 months? Again, what Dhoni tells, focus on the process. Today is 2nd Feb, or let's say tomorrow is 3rd Feb. That day, did I study 10 hours? Yes, go and sleep peacefully. Next day, did I study 10 hours? When I say 10 to 12 hours, including the classes that you are watching. Classes hours, duration, notes plus going and revising other things. 10 to 12 hours is minimum effective study, not gross. So 12 hours I start with book. I studied only for 4 hours. Effective study. 10 to 12 hours a day is minimum. There are people who do 16 hours, 15 hours. That is extreme. Leave it. If you can do it, good. But 10 to 12 is easily achievable without having a burnout. This 3 months, you have to accelerate, guys. Every hour, every minute matters for you. You just have to make the best, because what you do in the 3 months matters. See, very simple. Dhoni is going to play IPL this year. Did he practice the last full year? No, he was relaxing, going out. When he will start practicing? 2-3 months before IPL, he will practice, he will be fit, correct? So, this 3 months, if he doesn't practice even those 3 months, then he can't even play properly. At least now if he practices, he might not be at his peak, but he can at least have stamina for that game. The 3 months is very crucial. This 3 months is going to be make or break. Remember, you are competing with lakhs of students. So you will complain, sir, no mood, sir, no. Somebody else is studying, guys. When somebody else is studying, you have to push yourself. So I'm saying this because in the beginning of the month, put everything aside. If you need help for anything, you can always reach out to me. Sir, I have this kind of personal issue, this struggle. Help me fix the routine. All that can be done. But all that is external. End of the day, who should study? You should study. Following, guys. Even if you're watching this till the end, I wasted your time. 10 minutes. But it's okay. Just push yourself for this 3 months. Keep telling yourself. Don't put alarm as reminder to study, but it has to be within you. It has to flow in your system. Then only you will get there. Like now 24/7, you should think only about this. For me, sometimes some work I don't do, I keep thinking about that. In dream also it will come for me. Sometimes I'll get scared, I didn't do this work. In dream I'll get that work. For example, when I'm taking a new topic for the first time, I'll prepare a lot. That time in dream also I'll feel like I took this class. So when you keep thinking that 24, has it happened for you? When you think of something for so much, in dream also it comes. Hello. That means you have effectively thought about it and you gave interest to it, that in dream also it's coming to you. Have you ever got studies in dream? Have you got scared? You should get scared. Only if you think 24/7 about studies, that fear will give, you will get some nightmare dreams. Let it come. How many of you are scared about exams? Scared. You have to be scared. You need to have some element of fear. Overconfidence is not good. Less confidence is not good. Right amount of confidence with that fear. Only if I'm scared, I will finish that work. Are you following, guys? See, cricket ball is going 150. I can either be scared, I will not bat, or learn how to play short ball 150, then I can go play in the match. So it's okay to be scared, but work on it. I will again end by saying what, guys? 3 months, effectively you have, guys, 90 days. You need to go all in. Like that Vijay movie, you have to be in beast mode now. You have to be a beast, guys. People should ask you now, your parents should tell you, please take rest. Has anyone's parents told you that? Please take rest. That then good, okay, fine, you are taking rest. No, parents are telling you study means that means you are not studying enough. That's simple. You have to study so much that someone should come and tell you to take rest. I'm not saying get tired and fall sick. No, you have to push yourself, and that comes with interest. Show some kind of interest. Which group to write, that's your decision. That can be a separate discussion for us. But this is important, guys. So next 3 months, this weekend is there. Again, next 3 months, go all in, guys. It's again okay. What happened in the past is fine. These 3 months matters. I don't want to see any more Kritish Rahul reel on Instagram. Okay, fine. That's it. See you guys in the next class. Thank you.